Oh my gosh.
Woo!
It's finally here. What's going on, everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech. Thanks for stopping by today, because today I finally got the Jade Green MCO Visa from Crypto.com. If you're new to the channel, hopefully it's because you found some content that was interesting to you and not just a clickbaity title with a thumbnail that attracted your eyes. I'm hoping it's much more than that. I have way too much time on my hands since the coronavirus. I seriously need to hang out with my friends. Do I even have friends anymore? What are friends? This is life now. Anyway, in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the Jade Green MCO Visa. I'm basically gonna tell you why I decided to upgrade to the Jade Green. We're also gonna compare and contrast it to the other cards, because as most of you know, I have gone through 3 different cards now. And the funny thing is, as soon as I got the Jade Green, guess what my first thought was? I should upgrade to the Icy White. So comment down below if you think I should upgrade to the Icy White. And then also we're gonna talk about my plan going forward, what I'm gonna do with my crypto, where I feel like Crypto.com is headed, and also just my general plan as far as my investing strategy. So if you haven't already, smash the like button for me, and let's unbox this Jade Green MCO Visa. So going into the app, it's really easy once you do it. Obviously, you have to complete all of these steps here, and then it gets sent to you. Once you get it, you simply enter the 3 digits on the back of the card, you enter a new PIN for the card, and then you're ready to roll. Let's talk about some of the perks of the Jade Green. The first one is that not only do you get Spotify for free, but you also get Netflix for free. Now, the way that this works is you purchase Spotify and Netflix with your MCO Visa, and it comes back to you in MCO tokens. And I just really like this. I actually bum off of my dad's Netflix account, and I've been doing that for years. And so now finally I get to pay for it, and it's free. Not just for him, but for me and the rest of the family that bums off of his Netflix account. Thanks for letting me bum off of you, Dad. Now, when we're talking about the Ruby Red, this card has 2% rewards on all purchases you make with the card. That becomes insignificant compared to the Jade Green, because with this one you get a whopping 3% back. 3% on all of your purchases. Another extra added bonus that you get from this is that the MCO that you stake for the card, you get 6% back on it. So with the Ruby Red MCO Visa, the 50 MCO that you stake is just staked. You don't get any per annum earnings on it. And so it's kind of just like an investment there. But with this one, you are getting interest, not only investing, but also holding it and using the card, which is a great feature, I think. With this, of course, there is a cost benefit. So I had to invest 500 MCO tokens, which at the current price of $4.35 per MCO is roughly around $2,175. Keep that in mind. It's an investment. I'm not spending that. I'm just hodling it. And that's it. Now, I've mentioned 3 benefits to the Jade Green, but there is a 4th, the one that I'm really excited about, and that is Lounge Key. So basically, across the world, there are these airport lounges that are exclusive when you have a certain tier Visa card. And so the MCO Visa falls into this when you have the Jade Green and above. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna log in right now and create a lounge key. So in order to sign up for the lounge key, once you get your card, you need to use these specific links. There are different ones for different cards. Since we are in the United States, we're gonna use this link here. Boom, we click on it. Looks like we create an account here and we enter our card info. Boom. So there you have it, I'm signed up for Lounge Key now, and you can see this is actually something that I really, when I was researching if I wanted the Jade Green or not, I wanted to see where the lounges were. And so I'll show you here, you can see these are all of the lounges in the United States, which there are actually kind of a lot. So it's pretty good. I think it's really, really beneficial. So let's talk about all of the other cards and compare and contrast, and I'll tell you which one I think is the best value. For the Midnight Blue, of course, you can get for free just for signing up, and you get 1% rewards in MCO tokens anytime you make a purchase with the card. So once again, this is a really great way to utilize cryptocurrency and being able to spend it as fiat currency just in a real way. So I think that's really, really beneficial. Then if you upgrade to the Ruby Red MCO Visa, if you use my referral link, you and I can both get $50 in MCO tokens absolutely free. Obviously with the Ruby Red, you get 100% back on your Spotify. Those are pretty much the only benefits, except anytime you spend money using the MCO Visa, you get 2% back. Of course, we already went over the Jade Green. The Royal Indigo is the same tier as the Jade Green. Go one tier up from that, and it's the Icy White or the Frosted Rose Gold. Like I said, I am seriously considering this. And actually, you know, I'm considering the Frosted Rose Gold because, let's be honest, what guy isn't more attractive when he has a pink credit card? Am I right? Yeah. Anyway, make sure you comment down below which one you think I should get, either the Icy White or the Frosted Rose Gold, and if you even think I should upgrade in the first place. With that card tier, you upgrade to 4% rewards anytime you spend on the card. You get Spotify, you get Netflix as well. And on top of that, you get Amazon Prime completely rewarded back to you in MCO tokens. You also get 10% on any purchases you make on Expedia. And then you start to get some really cool stuff. You get an exclusive merchandise pack, you get bonus interest, you get Crypto.com private. And that is pretty neat because you get OTC block trades of MCO and CRO, which means you can get the best price for them at the time of your purchase. You also get research reports, inheritance service, which means if you die, your cryptocurrency gets inherited by whoever you set it up with. You get industry events access, and you also get priority customer service. I think that's pretty cool in and of itself. And then on top of that, as far as the airport lounge key, with the Jade Green, I can only go in myself. When I upgrade to the Frosted Rose Gold or the Icy White, I can bring a guest in. And that could be a spouse, a girlfriend, boyfriend, friends, family, pretty much anyone you want to bring in with you would be able to come in to any of those lounges with you at the airport. Now, I will say with this card tier, you have to invest 5,000 MCO. It's tough to say, but most people don't have 22 grand just sitting around to be able to invest into this. Likewise with the Obsidian Black, most people don't have 220 grand to invest into a card. And so for that reason, some of the cost benefit might not be there for some of these, but the Obsidian Black has some pretty dope rewards. It's 5% on anything you spend with your MCO Visa. Of course, all of the stuff that the Frosted Rose Gold or the Icy White have, but in addition, you get 10% back on any Airbnbs, and you also get private jet partnership, which I believe that would be dealing with like chartering a private jet. There's probably some exclusive partnership that they have there. Hopefully it's not Jet Token, but we'll see. Maybe that is it. I don't know. I'm just not sold on Jet Token just yet. Now, of course, anything after the midnight blue, which is plastic, is going to be composite metal. So the Jade Green is metal. What the heck? Oh, that's right. Make sure you smash the like button. I'm so freaking stupid. Anyway, if you smash the like button, it's always appreciated because that helps push this video to a larger audience so that more people can learn about crypto.com and the benefits of getting the Ruby Red MCO Visa or the Jade Green or whatever tier that they feel is best. It also has the tap to pay, which I find very, very beneficial. So which one do I think is the best one to get? Hands down, I think the best bang for your buck is going to be the Ruby Red. And the reason is because not everybody has $2,200 to just invest into cryptocurrency. With the Ruby Red Visa, all you need to invest at the current price of MCO is $217.50. With that, you're getting Spotify for free, and you're also getting 2% back on any purchases you make with the card. Now, what makes that better is if you use my referral link, you and I both get $50 in MCO tokens for free. So really, all you're investing is $167.50, which makes the Ruby Red card really, really good. Of course, you can get that $50 bonus if you sign up for higher tiers, but the Ruby Red is the minimum that you have to sign up for to get that $50 in MCO tokens for free. Of course, I do really love the Jade Green. I'm excited about it. Clearly, you can see I'm excited to upgrade even further. So we'll just see how it goes from here. All right, so what's my plan moving forward with crypto? The number one thing I plan to do is hodl. Hodl. Just freaking hodl! The reason I say that is because I think about those guys who sold their Bitcoin for the price of a pizza. You have to feel so dumb for doing that. They could have been set for life if they just held on to it for 5, 6, 7 more years, but they didn't. And so I don't want to be that guy who settles for a pizza when really down the road my MCO can be worth a lot more. Also, when it comes to hodling, as you can see, I have almost $10,300 in my account right now. So basically the return on investment from hodling has just been absolutely amazing. And part of that comes from CRO. Over the past 6 months, CRO has had a 251% bull run. So when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, I feel like CRO is a good one to hodl. And on top of that, my plan is to not only hodl my cryptocurrency, but when there are pullbacks, to buy more. So I want to invest more so that I'm basically getting the most bang for my buck. The second thing I plan on doing is likely upgrading to either the Icy White or the Frosted Rose Gold. So like I said, make sure you comment that down below, which one you think, or if you think I should or should not do it at all. Number 3, I plan on putting fiat currency into my wallet, topping up on my MCO Visa and spending money that way so that I get rewards on things that I was gonna spend money on anyway. I do have some credit cards that have 3% cash back for things like grocery or for travel, but with the MCO Visa, it's a no-brainer because I don't have to worry if a purchase is gonna qualify for that 3% back. I know it's going to. And on top of that, it's putting more into my crypto portfolio every time I do that, instead of just being cashback rewards, which isn't too bad. But for me, I would rather it be going into an investment, something that could be giving me a return on my investment rather than just sitting in cash. And last but not least, I am a big advocate for Helium hotspots because that company is just doing things that no other company in cryptocurrency is doing. If you watch my videos at all, you know I got 3 Helium hotspots absolutely free, and my ROI to date has been $2,500. That's from a $0 investment. And to be honest, since Helium token hit the market, it has just gone up and up and up, and I don't feel like it's gonna stop anywhere soon. So what I'm considering doing is going patron status for Helium. If I did that, I would have to purchase 15 hotspots. If I do that, I'll purchase them with my Jade Green Visa, because why not purchase cryptocurrency tech with cryptocurrency tech, right? So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Turn the notification bell on, because I'm gonna be making a video outlining how I supercharged one of my Helium hotspots I'll be talking about if that's making me more money. I'll be going over all of my financials when it comes to the Helium hotspot. Also, I'm constantly coming out with more content related to cryptocurrency and tech and the like. If that's up your alley, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Lastly, make sure you smash the like button for this video so it pushes it further to a larger audience and it makes the YouTube algorithm happy. You don't have to smash it, I guess. You could just give it like a light little tap just once so it turns blue, and that way that'll help out the channel grow a lot. It's always appreciated. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. My name's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.